Some people, they don't like the word money. They think it's a dirty word, and that's not your fault, by the way. It's how we grew up, and the people around us started talking about money. There's a lot of negativity around money, am I right? Yes or no? I don't make this up. Let me prove this to you. I'm going to say a phrase, and I bet you're going to finish the phrase. Money doesn't buy happiness. Money is the root of all evil. I bet you already thought that. I don't know about you, but this was taught with me when I was a kid. Before, when I used to see people with really nice cars, I'd be jealous and say things like, oh yeah, it's probably a drug dealer. Yeah, I'd say things like that, but here's the thing, if you can't appreciate it, you'll never be able to attract it in your life. Does that make sense?